Hello, this is Frank from Tech Edify, and today's video I'm going to show you how you can schedule a meeting using the Google Meet apps on your mobile phone. I'm using Android, so if you are having an Android, probably you need to download the Google Meet app, or if you are using an iPhone too, you can go to your app store and download it. So this is my Google Meet app, so it's already installed, so I'll just tap on it. Now when you tap on it, then it will land you to the main home. So let me just enable using this app for the first time. All right, so this is the Google Meet. If you have different or multiple accounts, you can just change it or switch it from this end, so you can add as many Google account that you want to the app. So I'm just using my default account. Now when you check over here you see meetings that you have already scheduled. So this is a meeting I've already scheduled. So here, if we want to schedule a new meeting, we will hit on the new. Now when you hit on the new, then we have what we call create a new meeting. Now create a new meeting is just to create an instant meeting that you can share the link with friends or maybe teams. And then this is to schedule in Google Calendar. So here we're going to use schedule in Google Calendar. Maybe our meeting is in the future, maybe tomorrow or whatever that is supposed to happen. So here I'll click on schedule in Google Calendar. So I'll just tap on it. Now when you tap on it, over here you have to give your meeting a title. So what is the meeting about? Maybe it's about annual general meeting. All right, so that's my meeting title. Now then you come down straight to the date and the time for the meeting. So over here you have to set a date. So let's set a time. So when is the meeting? Maybe it's going to start 9:30 a.m. so I'll set it here, and then the date. So you have to set the date in which the meeting is coming on. So you can just tap on the calendar here and then set it. So let's assume maybe Saturday. So I'll tap on 18th and click on OK. All right. So the meeting is starting 9:30, and when is it ending? So maybe it's ending 11:30 a.m. So I'll hit on OK. All right. So over here you can just leave this default, the time zone. If you want to change your time zone too, you can do that. And then over here it says, does the meeting repeat? Now when we talk about meeting repeat, that is a meeting that is a recurring. It will happen that particular time that you have set it. Now you can also add people. That means if you have their email account, you can just add it, or later you can share the link with them. So here, if you want to include the location of where the meeting is happening, you can just set your Google map straight to it. I'm not going to allow that, so let me just go back to that. And then over here to set a notification before the meeting. So 30 minutes before the meeting, you can change it a timing, that is to set a minute or a notification. You can add a notification, maybe 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 hour, or a day before, so that it will notify you. The rest over here, you can add a description about a meeting, maybe what and what that will be discussed there. You can quickly add it, and if there's an attachment too, you can also add the attachment. So that is how it is. Now when you are done, you hit on the save. So the save will automatically save your meeting. Okay, so our meeting is scheduled now because the date is in the future. If you want to see it, you can open up your calendar. If you have a Google Calendar, this is a Google Calendar, so you can tap on it. So when you tap on the Google Calendar, so we set it to 18th. So when I put it on the 18th, it will show me the meeting that I scheduled here. So here, this is where I can share my link. So I can tap on it, and now when I tap on it, I will see the share. So this is the meeting link. So this is what you're going to share with your team or those who will be joining the meeting. So I can click here, the share, and then you can copy it. Now after you've copied it, if you want to maybe share it through your WhatsApp or contact on WhatsApp or by mail or whatever medium you want to share it, you can just go ahead and then send it. So let me just pick one contact and then send it to. So let me pick one person here. So maybe I want to send it to Sankofa. So I'll paste it in here and then I can forward it. So that is the meeting link that I've shared. So the person can just tap on the link to join when the meeting is ready to start. So that's how you can schedule a meeting in the Google Meet app. Just go ahead and let me see if you're having any challenges. Put it in the comment section. Enjoy the rest of our video.